Hey there! Today I'm gonna guide you through how to stop people from tagging you on Facebook without your approval. So to do that, we're gonna head over here to the menu, the hamburger button over there, and we're gonna scroll down until we see settings and tap on there. We're gonna keep scrolling down on this menu, and under this section that says audience and visibility, we're gonna see profile and tagging. We click over there and we're gonna scroll down, and the option that I found that is the most likely to help you is this one that you should turn on, that says review the posts you're tagged in before the post appears on your profile. So basically with this enabled, people are not gonna be able to tag you the post is not gonna be able to appear on your profile until you go and actually approve it. So I think that's what you wanted. I don't think that you can stop them from tagging you completely. So I think if they're your friends, there is no other option actually here. Yeah, you can actually customize who sees the posts where you're tagged in, but not actually stop people completely from tagging you. So I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, leaving me a like or a silly comment. It really does help me out. See you next time.